Atma Namaste. I'm God's Love Healing Channel, Dr. Cheryl Dabe. Indian culture is based on super scientific understanding, super scientific knowing, and all the rules and regulations, principles, laws of universe. So today, on this day of Holi, we remove all the pent up emotions, we remove all the negative energies, we remove all the blockages, we remove all the those kind of energies that are not useful anymore, you know. So for an example, we have a 10th exam, and we have not given the exam. We have emotions, you know, we have such a lot of fear. It's our first board exams and we have not given it. We have prepared maybe 1,000 times, but we still have anxiousness, we have the fear, we have a lot of emotional turmoil. After 15 days, the exams are over. We are free bird, we are happy. We have already forgotten about all the emotional fears, emotional turmoil that we went through, emotional drama. We are just free. But are you sure you are free? All these energies, the negative energies, they have this problem that they stay. They go and save themselves up someplace. With God's grace, we have this beautiful festival of Holi, wherein we can just remove these kind of pent up emotions, these kind of unnecessary, useless emotions which have already been done their work, you know, which has been taken care of, and we don't need it anymore. I mean, you don't even know what you went through in the 10th, right? Because you've already forgotten it. But the emotions have still been in your system. It's there in your system. What is the meaning of doing the Anjali, or, you know, pouring of water from a metal bowl, mostly copper bowl? What happens at that point of time? What happens? So when you do the Anjali of Surya Dev, or right now we do this even in the Holika Dahan. Just before the Holika Dahan, we do the Anjali of water, and we do it to the Holika, that is the bonfire. What happens? What is the science behind it? So basically, water is the conductor of electricity. It is conductor of energy. Water absorbs energy, knowingly or unknowingly. Basically, we all do it unknowingly because we don't know the reality. But now when I'm telling you all, you will be able to do it knowingly, and because of that, you will be able to focus your energies more better into the removal of negative energies. Yeah, okay. So what happens? Because water is the conductor of electricity, it is the conductor, or it absorbs any and every energy, positive, negative. We do blessed water, I do activated water. How? Why? Because the water has this beautiful quality, characteristic of absorbing energies. So if you are today, because of the planetary positioning, everybody gets angry, everybody gets agitated somehow. There's some problem, you know, that's the way it is. You feel just agitated without any rhyme or reason. Why? Because those pent up emotions are just coming out because of the planetary positioning, because of this beautiful moon playing to its best. It is working on us. The moon is basically the moon basically attracts water bodies, that is the ocean bodies and all the water bodies, and it brings tide tide as in there is a tide and there is an ebb. So it brings out tide, it brings out all the emotions. So when there is a full moon, there is always a tide, right? High tide. So this is how it is. And in the same way, we have our negative emotions coming out. Okay. When we do the water Anjali, whenever we do any Anjali to any god, goddesses, in Jainism we do the Pakshal, in other temples we put water, we put milk on, we do the Anjali with water and milk on our Mahadev, our Shiva. Then we do these kind of things. Why? What happens? So what happens is that when you are in the presence of higher energies, that is the god and goddesses, the moon, which is the full moon, or the Surya, the sun, right? They are higher energy bodies. They are very high beings. So automatically they have the tendency of working on our body, because we have a lot of faith in our heart, we have more belief in them. So automatically it happens very easily, you know. It's like you are with your parents, you are really you know, in a sad mood. So when you see your parents, what happens? You just cry out, you just tell them, oh, this is what it was, because you feel so comfortable with your parents, you feel so comfortable with your god, you feel comfortable with the Surya, be comfortable with the moon, right? This is the way the god works, right? So this is how it is. And automatically when the planetary positions are beautiful, they start working on us and remove all the negative emotions. They just come out. So I am right now during the healing session also going to do the water Anjali, the pouring of the water, keeping the beautiful moon in front of us and doing the Anjali to the moon, right? So at this point of time, while I'm doing the healing, all those people who are seeing the video may just say yes in their mind that yes, Cheryl, we allow the negative energies to be just lifted off from our system, you know. They'll be transmuted to God's love and light. That's the way the healing works. That's the way it's so beautiful. It's so high technology healing, you could say. So the moment you say yes, Cheryl, in your mind, you don't need to send me a WhatsApp or anything. Just say yes in the mind, and while I do the healing right now over the video, you will feel a lot of beautiful energies coming out. You will feel happy, and simultaneously I'll be doing the moon Anjali. Okay. Okay, so I think I have finished all the points. Yeah, so when you do the Anjali, keeping in your mind a higher energy, God, the full moon, the sun, or any gods and goddesses, when the energies or the negative energies they start flowing from your hands into the copper vessel that you are holding in your hand, copper, silver, any metal vessel that you are holding in your hand, and through the water it is transmuted into the god, as in the murti, or the energies of the moon, or the energies of the sun, and that deletes and destroys all the negative energies that flow out of you, because we cannot just expel all the negative energies into the universe. Universe can handle it, but why? That's the way Indian culture is about, Hindu culture is about, that it does not let any negative energy just roam around freely. So if for an example, if it is just free, somebody may attract it, somebody may get uselessly you may just fall into it. So because of that, this is the whole thing. I'll tell you once again, when you are doing any type of Anjali to either god, goddesses, to the sun, to the moon, the full moon, or to the Holika as well, because today is the planetary position in such a way, that is why, to the Holika as well, what happens is all the energies or the negative energies from you is travels to your hands, then your palms of the hand. It then enters the vessel that you're holding, the water vessel, which is mostly 1000% it is of a metal. It is not a wood or stone. It is pure metal, copper, silver, any metal. And then it enters the water. And when we do the Anjali, slowly, very, very slowly, the water enters the aura of God, the aura of the full moon, the aura of Holika, the aura of the sun. And while that happens, it destroys and deletes all the negative energies, which whatever is flowing out of the vessel. Yeah, simple. Machine khatam ho gaya, closed. Okay, so that's the beautiful machine engineered by our Rishi Munis. Okay, so now I will be doing this beautiful God's love healing at this point of time. You all can just enjoy. Okay, so now I want you all, if you can, to just close your eyes. I just want you all to close your eyes and see yourself standing in this beautiful moon that is basking on you. The moonlight is touching each and every body cell, each and every organ, each and every molecule, each and every system. It is entering each and every chakra, each and every aura, all your identities. It is entering everything in the whole universe that belongs to you. It is entering your being. It is you, and in front of you, the most beautiful full moon of Holi. You can also see beautiful planets and grahas and nakshatras behind, playing their best to remove all your negativities. At this point of time, you may also experience all your favorite gods and goddesses just enjoying this meditation, enjoying this healing with you simultaneously. Oh great God Almighty, I love you, I respect you, I honor you. We are doing this healing, God's love healing, God's frequency healing, and all those who participate here, all those who say yes, I let go of all my negativity, will receive a very powerful energetic shift, removing all their financial blockages, all their relationship blockages, all their health blockages, as much as they can tolerate. Remove all their negative fears, negative emotions, useless fears, useless emotions, exaggerated, unwanted fears and emotions, useless anger, unuseful ego, everything that is not for the highest good will be removed and transmuted to God's love and light. I'm simultaneously healing God's love, God's love, God's love, God's love, God's love, God's love. Oh, my beautiful moon, I love you, I respect you, I honor you. Here I am, standing in front of you, enjoying the beautiful radiance that cleanses me of all my negativity. I let go of all my free will to hold on to any negativity, every negativity, any negative emotions, anything that allows me to stay in this stagnant position, or anything that does not allow me to bring happiness in my life, to make me successful, to have a progressive life. I plead you, request you to take away all the negative energies that do not serve me anymore. God's love, God's love, God's love, God's love. Oh, my beautiful moon, I am so humbled that you have given me this beautiful opportunity to remove all my negativities. Here I hold, dear all, please say, I give permission to Cheryl to remove only all my negative energies. Here I hold in front of you this bowl of water wherein I allow all and every negativity to be removed from my body, to be released from my system, to be released from all my identities. And I do this Anjali to let go of all my energies, negative energies. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You can still close your eyes and just relax to allow this healing to continuously happen on you. The release will all the negative energies will be released and transmuted into God's love and light. This healing has already started. It will go on till tomorrow, 6 o'clock in the morning. The most important thing you have to remember is, as you let go of all your negative energies, the moment you release, it will be transmuted into God's love and light. So whichever place you are right now, your home, your office, whichever place you're traveling, the moment you release your energies, the moment you release your negative energies, you will feel that your aura is filled with God's love and light, because the energies are being removed by God's love, and it instantly transforms all the negative energies into God's love and light, and filling you up with God's love. This is so beautiful. So till now all the negative energies were negative, and the moment it is released, the moment you say yes, I let go of it, it will transmute into God's love and light, and it will make you feel happy and peaceful. You will have a very beautiful, good sleep tonight. Also, I am coming online doing a Holika Dahan at 12:40 Indian time, Mumbai. Love you all. Take care. Enjoy this beautiful God's love healing. Atma Namaste. Atma Namaste.